It's a great opportunity to be here in Ljubljana in collaboration with Rog Centre, the Pulp and Paper Institutes and the National Institute of Chemistry, and organize a series of workshops thanks to the European project Shemakes. I'm coming from the Institute of Advanced Architecture of Catalonia, and I have co-founded Fab Textiles Lab and Fabricademy Textile and Technology Academy. During these 2 days, we've seen innovative cellulosic materials, which is the first part of a series of workshops that is also tackling the topic of new bioengineered materials for sustainability. So we've seen how to work with bacterial cellulose, which is a new type of vegan leather, but can also be used for bioremediation and filtering grey waters. We've seen how to work with paper, traditional paper making, but also using food waste as raw material for paper. And we've also worked with open source recipes for cellulose. And the participants were very inspired, and I hope that they will also continue this experimentation that brings together sustainability, creativity and science.